guys, what a wonderful decision you made to click on this video. My name is Mahita Ekaryadi. I'm currently a student from PKN Star pursuing my diploma of accounting. As you can see from the title, this video is about a social project I need to analyze financial statement from what we call UMKM or Usaha Mikro, Kecil, dan Menengah. In English, it could be translated as Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises or MSME. So what this video is going to present to you are first, information of how the selected MSME do its financial statement. Second, the analysis of its financial statement. Third one, the shortcomings of its financial statement. Finally, what we can do to make its financial statement perform better. So, without further ado, let's get started.
The MSME I selected on this video is this. It is called Tasya Computer, located in North Bali, Buleleng Regency, in a small village called Tamblang.
Nama saya Nyoman Triasi. Saya adalah pemilik dari UMKM Tasya Computer.
This MSME do their business by doing things related to computers, such as typing services, photo printing, laminating, internet service providers, and buying and selling equipment for computers and photos. From the daily transaction records, Tasya Computer has recorded daily income and expenses with a very clear division, namely by recording income and expenses in different columns. According to the owner, monthly income from Tasya Computer could reach more than 7 million per month. This means that the turnover owned by Tasya Computer reached approximately 60 million per year. Then, how does Tasya Computer make its financial statements? Unfortunately, Tasya Computer is not familiar with financial statements such as income statement, statement of financial position, statement of changes in equity, and balance sheet. In running its business, the owner feels that recording income and expenses alone is enough to keep the business going. Here are the shortcomings I got from doing analysis on Tasya Computer's financial activities. Tasya Computer has recorded income and expenses and calculated periodic total income. However, Tasya Computer only recorded daily. The owner has never done a total calculation for a month or a year. Second, the owner never record income and expenses using the accrual method. All income and expenses are recorded by Tasya Computer only when the money has been received or when the money has been issued. The third one is, Tasya Computer does not recognize non-cash expenses. Equipment and buildings has never been estimated for their useful lives and have never been depreciated. Next, as previously stated, Tasya Computer does not know any financial statements. And the last one, Tasya Computer records expenses including personal expense of the owner. This includes food expense, motorbike gasoline expense, and expense for buying telephone credit. After knowing the shortcomings in Tasya Computer's financial activities, what can be done to improve it? These are the suggestions I gave to the owner of the Tasya Computer. First, make an income statement for a month or even a year, so that losses and profits can be known with certainty. By knowing the exact profit and loss, Tasya Computer can make strategies that can be done in its business. Second, performing charges on non-cash matters. This includes recording depreciation on equipment used for business and building depreciation. The third one, record income and expenses that are accrual in nature. Tasya Computer's business can be said to be intermediate, so it is important for the owner to always record the debts and receivables it has. The owner can also anticipate this method by making accounts receivable book and debt book. The next one is make an inventory book. One of Tasya Computer's business activities is buying and selling equipment for computer and photo needs, such as photo frames, photo albums, printer paper, flash disks, blank CDs, and others. Because of this vast inventory, it is important for the owner to always know the exact amount of inventory that has been sold and the remaining inventory in the warehouse. And the last one, not recording personal expenses. Tasya Computer should only record income and expense purely from its business activities, and apply the principle that Tasya Computer and its owners are two separate entities.
I hope that by carrying out this social project, it can help in making MSME financial activities in Indonesia to be better. The first impression I got from Mr. Hares is he's extremely brilliant person. I walked into the classroom as a blank paper and he managed to give me a lot of valuable lessons, not just from book, but also from life. His teaching technique is so different to many other lecturers I have met before, but yet it's so effective and personally, I enjoy it so much. But he's not just good with his brain, he's also good with his moral. He genuinely cared about his students. So thank you for giving all your best to make us succeed in our subject. And thank you for sharing your hope and dreams with us so that we also dare to do the same. This year is probably not the best year of my life, but you make it better. Thank you for supporting us and see you when I see you again. Bye bye!